All right, so we got the Whirlpool washer here, and the issue we have is that the water here is not draining. Okay, so when the water is not draining, it's probably because the filter is dirty, and the filter is right here. Open that up. That's the filter. I'm gonna put some bucket here to catch the water, some towel, and try to fix it. And now, would you look at that? Ooh! Look at that. That's why it's not draining. Oh my God. So now we just have to clean that and put this filter back on. Now we're just gonna wash it, this filter, and we're gonna put it back in. And now we're gonna put it back in. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.